Hi, to change keyboard layout on iPhone 16e, firstly we need to open Settings. Now you need to find General, and after that you would wanna scroll a bit down to find Keyboard section. So go in your keyboards and you will see this list of languages which you added to your keyboard. And right now you need to click Add New Keyboard. Here you'll find Suggested Keyboards. And let's tap, for example, Check. And we can add it to English keyboard or add New Keyboard. So we wanna change keyboard layout, therefore we need to pick Add to English Keyboard and then tap Done. After that, it will look like that. So we created bilingual keyboard. You can select it and change its layout. So just tap any option from the list like that and save changes using this back arrow. Now we can trigger keyboard, hold this globe icon like this and pick our bilingual one. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.